Hey there! I woke up today and I was like, what does it take to recreate a simple UI design screen? You know, those designs that we see on the web and we are like, yeah, I can do it in like 5 minutes. We assume that just because it looks fresh and minimalistic, but remember, simple and slick is a style and it doesn't mean easy to make or even to remake. So yeah, for that matter, I decided to make that a little challenge and also make it the first video on this channel under a new concept called Complain by Doing. I hope it will take some shape. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe, you'll be like, why, this guy has only one video on this channel and I'm already watching it, so yeah. However, if you liked what you've seen already, please press that like button, it will put a smile on my face and make me create more of those. If you don't like it, you can also, oh no, just press the like button. By the way, I hope the pace is enjoyable to watch, let me know what you think in the comments below, and music.